welcome to the beautiful Paultons Park. Yes, I'm back for some rides. All the rides should now be open. So the latecomers, which were Edge and Splash Lagoon notably, as well as Water Kingdom, obviously I'm not going in there, are now open for 2025 and I want to get on both of them. However, I want to do some more rides while I'm here. Easter is approaching, you can see that. The beautiful daffodils are out. They did say they would be, and they're really coming out in bloom now as we've got some Easter theming up ready for the Easter holidays. But whilst it's an off-peak day, I'm going to go and lap Stormchaser for a bit. Paultons in particular does look beautiful in the sun. I mean, look at a Stormchaser with, there's literally not a cloud in the sky today as we hit the beginning of April and we head into the fantastically themed, I'll say it every time, I think this is the best themed area we've got in the country at the moment, Tornado Springs, and I'm heading around to Stormchaser. Oh, hopefully it warms up and it's running quick today. 0 minutes is what you want to see. Now, it is an off-peak day here at the park today. Granted, I was only here last month. As you know, we're doing regular updates from here, but in terms of riding rides, I do every time I come. We want to get you on some different rides this time round. Sorry if it's just gone really dark because I've walked inside. So I do want to get on Edge, see how that's running for this season, and I do want to get on Splash Lagoon. It's quite nice. It was a little bit of a draft. I'm wearing a jacket, I've got the chest mount on. It's just come straight from work. I've got a shirt on. I don't look the part. To be honest with you, I don't look the part. But I am starting with Stormchaser because this is a fantastic coaster and it does ride really, really well anyway, let alone when you add a little bit of heat into it.
You must ensure all those articles are level with the non-rider.
It is straight onto the back row, and I mean straight onto the back row, no queue, gates open. Why would you not want to sit that row? I do, definitely do. I actually can't believe there's no clouds in the sky. Here we go. Use the sun. Oh, it's a bit of airtime. Oh, this is the bit. There we go. Such a good ride, and you miss all this detail. It's so well detailed and themed in the middle, landscaped and everything. When I say, you know, this area just doesn't just look the best, which it does. Again, best restaurant in a theme park, right there. It just looks, everything about it looks, not just exterior. Once you get inside, once you're on the ride, there's no dirt, soil, unfinished areas. The whole coaster is just so well finished. Yeah, I love it. Right, now something different. We're going to head over to Caterpillar for our first ride of this year. Now, it is usually better to be at the back of the Caterpillar. However, again, it's walk-on. It's not completely empty, but it's not going around full. I'll take whatever seat's available. Right on tight now. Here we go. It is a classic, this, and again, it's nice that they've themed it up. It's such a long train though. When you're at the front here, you do just sort of hang with not a lot happening, and then woo, off we go. As the back catches up with you, you then get pushed down the helix. And round to the final bend. And back into the station. Now you do get a second lap, but you don't want to see that. Now notice the seats here, we'll talk about those in a second. It is quite interesting on this one that the kind of the leg, between the leg grooves, which kind of keep you in your seat, were retro added to this ride. They weren't on there many, many years ago. And it's just a lap bar ride. Now when we think about Walking Dead at Fort Park, our prime one, now don't get me wrong, the Walking Dead theme might not be for the younger audience. However, the roller coaster definitely is. And it's quite costly to change seats designs, especially as that one's been recently changed. That kind of retrofitting, if they ever decide to get rid of Walking Dead, or of course the license runs out for Walking Dead, would be brilliant. Fantastic little family coaster here at Paultons Park in a weird and wonderful sort of themed area, which we like. which we like. Right, I'm going to go through the gardens because they're beautiful. They are beautiful here. They're quite often missed because a lot of people walk along the front, but you come down here, you'll see some exotic birds. You can see the lemurs, the flamingos. It's just beautiful. Oh, look at them basking in the sun. They've got a proper pink to them. Don't blame them resting in the sand in this weather. Splash Lagoon, the brand new ride for 2024. Opened on May the 18th last year. We were here for that. And we did ask at the time whether or not it would replace their log flume. And they were like, no! But we had a feeling it would, and indeed it has. Again, a beautiful themed log flume. You here used to sit the Temple Heights, which is now at Funland. But let's take you on board. Can't remember really how wet we get. Okay, that didn't work out too well. It's actually broken down. I tell you, it's a rare sight at Paultons Park, but it just stopped. So yeah, I asked to get out, have a little wander. It's a good job I wasn't out the station, so we will take you back on that later. But in the meantime, we'll try a different ride. It would be rude not to come in to fly at the pterosaur, really, wouldn't it? I mean, let's be honest. It's a 0-minute queue and walk on, and I'm walking right past it. So why on earth not? Love it, absolutely love it. It flies around the track. Well done. Now, no trip to Paultons. You can't not do Cobra on a trip to Paultons, I'm afraid. And that's no different today. It's something that we definitely must do. This wonderful Gerstlauer coaster, the only one of its type in the country. Now, it's a smooth experience, yet quite thrilling as well. If you look at our behind the scenes, you can see exactly, oh Jesus, I always forget about that, just how many times these cars have cycled, and you can also see how incredible condition this is in after so many years. Real credit to the park. I actually forget how quick this thing runs, let alone when you've add a bit of heat into it as well. Oh, right, here we go. And of course, Edge is open today. Edge will be our next ride. Whoa, wee! Woo! And I'm sure you can see a lot going on around us. You can check our updates. The video will already be online if you want to see what's going on here, and there is plenty going on here. Woo! Oh, no brakes. And a lovely smooth finish. Right. On to Edge. We're well within the hour here. It's quite unbelievable how many rides we've done. We're going to head round to Edge to get our first ride on Edge for this year. It's all back open. All the rides are open. So we will go back and finish on Splash Lagoon, which I have to say is kind of the kind of thing we would do, actually, finish on a log flume. So I guess it's probably a good thing that it closed down. But we're going to do Edge first. Oh, the cycle is so good. we have it. Now we've had a great ride on Magma, we've done Edge and we've done Cobra, we've just got one ride left to do, which is Splash Lagoon. Hopefully it's back open. I've never seen Magma not spinning, ever. Always spun. Not saying anything, but it's always spun. It's round 2, let's see. Second time lucky. As we end our day here on Splash Lagoon. Maybe it won't be second time lucky, because it's broken down again. It's third time lucky. But it's a lovely engineer. It's a lovely engineer that actually showed me around Cobra last year. So polite. They keep you informed, they let you know what's going on. And I have a feeling I'm going to get absolutely soaked on this. Because the boat is soaking. To be honest with you, it's soaking. Now I haven't been on this since opening day. I'm already wet. And this, they forgot to switch this on. So the POV I've got of this actually doesn't have these on, but they are on now, I can tell you. It's like a light splash. I have a feeling it won't be like a light splash when I go down there, but I'm going to be first to go down there. Seemingly. It's such a well, again, it's a well themed, and this one's permanent. You can see it's concrete based. We've not got the trough, it's been proper dug in. This can seat 3 younger people, or an adult and a child, or just me. Oh, it looks wet, doesn't it? It does look wet. But again, just appreciate some of the theme in here, which you can really kind of see when you're on ride. I really want to go up that watchtower. You obviously can't because it's not real, but still. I'll take that, they've got to be able to fix that somehow, haven't they? Oh, hang on. We're going straight now. Right, here we go. How wet am I going to get? Oh, I forgot it was a tumble dip. Oh, Jesus. The answer is wet. Oh my. Oh, any more weight in this boat, I tell you. Oh. Okay. Well, you can probably see the splash on the camera. That was wet. A real wet ride on Splash Lagoon ends my day here at Paultons Park. I say day, it's been a couple of hours, or will be a couple of hours. I'm going to do some re-rides now. But yeah, Paultons Park open for 2025. Everything's open. We've got Ghostly Manor coming very, very soon in May, but there's plenty to do here. And on a quiet off-peak day, honestly, just ride, ride, ride as we leave you with the owls.